So welcome all, welcome to my YouTube channel. We will see how to make use of function enumerate in the list. So let's say we have list 1 where we have all integer values, and let's say random integer values. So like 12, then 21, then 45, then 67, and then 89. So for while making this video, I will just consider a list of 5 integer values only, and now we want to make use of enumerate function. So I will use in this manner enumerate L1 and then print the value of y. So you will see that, okay, so for the purpose list, here I have to use list y. So what will happen, whatever values I have in this list 1, it will get numbering that, okay, 12 is at index 0, 21 is at index 1, 45 is at index 2. So we will get the numbers against those integer values of the list, so like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the use of this? Let's say if we have a list of 100, 200, 300 integer values, then practically it is impossible to count at which element your integer value is. So with the help of this enumerate, you will come to know, and then you can directly use it. So if, let's say, I will say print list, print L1 and index value, I will say 4. So I will get 89. So because of this enumerate function, at least I will directly come to know, okay, whatever value I was looking for is at index this one. So I can use it in this manner. Now here, while taking example, I just took integer of only five elements, but in practical scenario there could be 100, 200, 300, or more than that. So during that time this will come handy, enumerate function. I hope you have understood how to make use of enumerate. Thank you very much.